Here's a few pieces of botryoidal matrix from central Queensland Boulder Opal fields. This is Boulder Opal with where the opal forms in little nodules, and consequently a lot of the time it looks half moon shaped, or if you cut across it you end up with a flatter pattern. We'll go in a bit closer. I don't think I mentioned that this material was wetted and the rule was in millimetres, but here you can see the patterns of the opal and the little half moon shapes. And when it's cut across the moon shapes you get the colours coming across it. Side's better I think than the upper side. It's a good example. I've done bright greens, thick enough that you can try slicing it a few more times. There's little nodules on the outside there. Some reds coming through. There's more down in here, but it's not as evident. Again, that's the outside. One hasn't been opened up. I'd suggest you slice it through the middle. In the nodules. Doesn't look like it's got much colour in it. With something like this, the colours on it quite often on the outside, which I quite often bring to people's attention. You can see here, over here there isn't any. It's on the outside, so you need to grind it. Nice greens. A few smaller pieces I've thrown in. Anyway, that is what it is. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.